Hey guys, this is a waterfall. It is found in Meru County. It is in Nyambene Regis. And you can see it is almost 50 meters. 50 meters up. 50 meters long. 50 meters long. And I can't imagine it is just up there and then it just fall. Like that water is falling. Got a waterfall. Oh my God. It's an awesome thing. And I know you'll enjoy this. You're planning a trip to come here. It's almost 20 kilometers from the tarmac. You get up here by trekking all the way up. You'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy the thing. Almost water coming almost 50 meters from up down. As you can see, with some light, we will go over the reflection part of it. You can see some rainbow. This is an amazing scene. Hoping that you plan and come here. The place almost in Nyambene Regis. Ukifika Kangeta gari opposite. Panda. Paka upande huku. Yes.